Isn't it interesting how you can create a portrait just by color? Warm colors, cold colors? Follow along this video to see the 3 tips I use to make this beautiful portrait. Okay, so tip number 1, use primary colors. Yes, primary colors. Red, blue, yellow, green, whatever. Primary colors. You need to use primary colors in order to paint and to manifest in your painting what's bright, what's the shadows, whatever you want to paint. That's very important. When you use brilliant primary colors, it just catch your eye attention. And if it catches your eye attention, well, that's one milestone for making a big portrait, abstract, beautiful painting. So tip number 1, use primary colors. So tip number 2, layers. Yes, layers. You have to use layers. How you think I did a painting like this, a portrait painting like this? Yes, using layers. As you can see all along this video, I made layer after layer after layer, because when you use layer after layer after layer, you get to modify what you did in the past, and you get to see all that spectrum of colors that come alive in front of you. So yes, layer after layer after layer. Do it. You will see a great result. And one of the most important things about the person who I'm painting right now is that he is Javier de Jesus, a really important influencer in our Hispanic community here in the United States. He's a person who I really admire because of his struggles, his personal life, how he has overcome those struggles, and how he has been so open to share his story with all the people and be vulnerable. That's something very weird in this time. So that's something I really admire of him, and you should go check his channel. He has a very good channel. He gives really good tips for someone who lives here in the United States, and yes, he's a great influencer. He's a great guy. So shout out to him, and let's continue to see the end of this painting. And that was it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Share and subscribe. See you next week.